Welcome to our channel. I hope this video is useful. How to use word PeN. PeN words with the PeN prefix are usually either nouns of adjectives. The capital letter N in PeN indicates the same sound changes that occur in PeN indicates the same sound changes that occur in MEN verbs.
PeN. Kata-kata dengan awalan PeN biasanya berupa kata benda atau kata sifat. Huruf kapital N pada PeN menunjukkan perubahan bunyi yang sama yang terjadi pada PeN. Menunjukkan perubahan bunyi yang sama yang terjadi pada verba MEN.
Indeed, many PeN words have corresponding MEN verbs. The N is written in parentheses because in some cases there are no sound changes. For example, in words that may have corresponding BR verbs.
Memang benar, banyak kata PeN yang memiliki kata kerja MEN yang bersesuaian. Huruf N ditulis dalam tanda kurung karena dalam beberapa kasus tidak ada perubahan bunyi, misalnya dalam kata-kata yang mungkin memiliki kata kerja berkata yang sesuai.
PeN. Nouns.
PeN nouns are derived from various base words that are either verbs, nouns, or adjectives. A person who does, or is associated with, what the base word indicates.
Baca.
To read.
Pembaca.
Reader.
Bantu.
To help.
Pembantu.
Helper, servant.
Beli.
To buy.
Pembeli.
Buyer.
Besar.
Big.
Pembesar.
Important government official.
Bohong.
To lie.
Pembohong.
Liar.
Bual.
To boast, brag.
Pembual.
Braggart.
Candu.
Illegal drugs.
Pencandu.
Drug addict.
Cinta.
Love.
Pecinta.
Lover of something.
Curi.
To steal.
Pencuri.
Thief.
Datang.
To come.
Pendatang.
Migrants.
Dengar.
To hear, listen.
Pendengar.
Listener.
Jaga.
To take care.
Penjaga.
Caretaker, keeper.
Jahat.
Evil, wicked.
Penjahat.
Criminal.
Jajah.
To colonize.
Penjajah.
Colonizer.
Jual.
To sell.
Penjual.
Seller.
Mabuk.
Drunk.
Pemabuk.
Drunkard, alcoholic.
Makan.
To eat.
Pemakan.
Eater.
Minum.
To drink.
Peminum.
Drinker, alcoholic.
Muda.
Young.
Pemuda.
Young man, youth.
Pungut.
To pick up, collect.
Pemungut.
Collector.
Syair.
Poem.
Penyair.
Poet.
Tulis.
To write.
Penulis.
Writer.
Some words do not undergo sound change. Often, these are words that have corresponding verbs.
Dagang.
To trade.
Pedagang.
Trader.
Gulat.
To wrestle.
Pegulat.
Wrestler.
Jalan.
To walk.
Pejalan kaki.
Pedestrian.
Kerja.
To work.
Pekerja.
Worker.
Renang.
To swim.
Perenang.
Swimmer.
Tenis.
To play tennis.
Petenis.
Tennis player.
Tinju.
To box.
Petinju.
Boxer.
In some cases, the meaning of the PeN word is a metaphorical one. For example, the word
penduduk
does not mean person who sits, but rather person who occupies, that is, inhabitant.
Duduk.
To sit.
Penduduk.
Inhabitant, population.
Careful. Although PeN and per often mean the person who does something associated with the base word, they cannot be applied to all cases. For instance, the Indonesian word for chef is
Tukang masak.
Not.
Pemasak.
The word
Tukang.
mean person skilled in a certain area or laborer. Some other examples are
Tukang becak.
rickshaw driver, not
Becak. Tukang ledeng.
plumber, not
Peledeng. Tukang listrik.
electrician, not
Pelistrik.
Here are some more words for which we can use.
Tukang.
Find out how to say them in Indonesian. Welder, photographer, carpenter, magician, hitman. Something having the function associated with the base word.
Buka.
to open,
Pembuka.
Opener, for example, can opener.
Dingin.
cold,
Pendingin.
cooler,
Garis.
line,
Penggaris.
ruler,
Hapus.
to erase,
Penghapus.
eraser, duster for blackboards,
Panas.
hot,
Pemanas.
heater,
Potong.
to cut,
Pemotong.
cutter,
Pukul.
to hit,
Pemukul.
instrument for hitting,
Some other similar words simply mean something associated with the base word.
Sakit.
sick,
Penyakit.
sickness, illness,
Sebab.
cause,
Penyebab.
cause, pen adjective,
Some PeN words are adjectives and they are derived from adjectival
Base words. The derived adjectives mean person having the characteristics by the base word.
Diam.
quiet,
Pendiam.
quiet person,
Malas.
lazy,
Pemalas.
lazy person,
Malu.
shy,
Pemalu.
shy person,
Marah.
angry,
Pemarah.
person who is quick to anger,
Riang.
cheerful,
Periang.
cheerful person,
Summary.
PeN words are motley nouns, but some are adjectives. They often have either corresponding men or verbs. PeN nouns mean either person or thing associated with the base word. PeN adjectives describe the characteristics of a person.
Thank you for watching this video. Hopefully useful. Don't forget to like and subscribe.